Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful and easy leaf earring pattern. It's a quick project and perfect for handmade gifts or adding a nature-inspired touch to your accessory collection. Let's get started. Now here is the twist. I have actually used the embroidery thread along with the 1mm crochet hook to make these earrings. But today in the video I'm going to be using a thicker kind of a yarn along with the 2.5mm crochet hook for you to see the stitches clearly. I'm going to start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end and again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot. And then as the foundation, I'm going to chain 12. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the third chain. Like that we will continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then I'm going to skip the very first chain over here and work a single crochet into the second chain. But we are going to go into one loop only. So I'm going to select this back loop. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. So I'm going to go into the back loop only and work the single crochet. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the single crochet. Like that I'm going to go into the very next chain and work another single crochet into the back loop. So go into the back loop of the next single crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets and then we need to continue making up to 10 single crochets in the foundation chain. This is the third single crochet. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After completing 10 single crochets, we are left with 1 chain in the foundation where we need to work 3 single crochets into the very same chain. So we will go into the last chain and work 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And we are going to go into the other side of the foundation chain now. And I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. We don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. And I'm going to go into the loop which is left from the chain here. So we worked 1 single crochet into this side and we are going to go into the loop on the other side and work another single crochet. So this is the first single crochet on that side and we need to make up to 9 single crochets on this side. So this is the second one. This is the third one. We need to make 9 single crochets in total. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and then chain 1 and turn your work like this. Here we are going to skip the first chain here and go into the next stitch over here. In that stitch also you can see that there are two loops. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. So go into the back loop of the second stitch and work a single crochet. Again go into the back loop of the next stitch and work the second single crochet of the round. Again go into the back loop of the third stitch and work the third single crochet. Like that we will continue working up to 10 single crochets, 10 back loop single crochets. We have just completed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After completing 10 single crochets, we are at the top of the work. There we are going to go into the back loop and work 3 single crochets into the very same stitch. So go into the back loop of the top stitch and work 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. All 3 stitches, all 3 single crochets into the same stitch. Now we are at the other side of the work. There we are going to work 9 single crochets all the way down only to the back loop. So this is the first back loop single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is what we have completed so far. Again, this is the pattern we are going to repeat over and over again until we get the desired length of the leaf. So chain 1, turn the work, and then we are going to skip the first stitch, first chain here, and go into the second stitch. From the second stitch we need to work 10 back loop single crochets up to the top. So we will start from the second stitch here, go into the back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now work 3 single crochets to the back loop of the top stitch here. 1, 2, 3, and then 9 single crochets all the way down only to the back loop again. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Again repeat the pattern. Chain 1, turn the work and start from the second stitch and work 10 single crochets all the way to the top. Go into the back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then work 3 back loop single crochets at the top stitch here. 1, 2, 3. Again 9 single crochets into the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now this is the exact pattern we need to repeat over and over again. So when we are going to the top, we need to work 10 single crochets and 3 single crochets at the top and 9 single crochets all the way down. So that is the pattern we are going to repeat. Again, chain 1, turn the work, 10 single crochets to the top, 3 single crochets at the top, 9 single crochets all the way down. I'm going to stop the work from here. The pattern now if you count from the middle spike here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spikes are there on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there on the other side. So the leaf is symmetrical. So we will just complete another few rows to complete 6 spikes on each side, and I will show you how to end the work. I'm going to stop the work from here. Now you can see that if I count from the middle spike, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spikes are there on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there on the other side as well. So the leaf is symmetrical. I think this is nice to stop from here. So we will chain 1, leave a little tail, and I'm going to cut the yarn off. Now this is what I have done by using the embroidery thread, and just the difference is I have left a long tail for sewing, and we will see how to attach the pieces together to complete the earrings. I'm going to take the yarn needle and then thread the yarn needle. After that, we will just move the tail to the place we want the bead to be attached. And then I'm going to slide the bead in and slide the smaller jump ring also into this, and then attach them together like this. And then take the pliers and open up the bigger jump ring. Attach the earring piece and also the hook ear wires into the jump ring. and we will close it up. Just like the same, we will complete the other one as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this crochet leaf earring tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative and easy crochet patterns. See you in the next video.